Just marking up my charts this morning, and take a look at this. Hope you guys do the same thing, by the way. Look at this mess in here. Looking at the YM. Hopefully you can identify, scrunch your
YM trade alert.
And hopefully you can identify that this is just a huge mess and we're stuck in consolidation. And then what happened right over here? Actually, give me a second here, because
order submitted.
yeah, I think I'm interested in this. Anyway, what was I saying? What happened right here? We broke out, right? It's not a trick question. And the overnight
YM trade alert.
Just, man, just in a terror. Just go, 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 go. So let's see what happens here.
YM trade alert.
Order
YM
filled.
by signal 3.
Okay. So we got filled. What do we need next? We need follow through.
Target filled.
Okay, nice. Got our first target. Nice, nice. Okay, got our second target. All risk is off. We started trailing a couple ticks. 4 ticks up. Just need more follow through.
Stop filled.
Okay. Okay, 26 plus 52 plus 54, 132. Nice. Nice. Times $5. Nice, 660. Nice. Okay. So this started, let's review, this started by identifying consolidation, right? You have this big mess going on here, just stuck in this mess, going basically sideways. We identified the highs, we identified the lows, and we waited for it to break out one direction or another. It went higher, okay? We identified that breakout and marked it, okay? Earlier, I did not mention the stair stepping. I'm sorry, I just see these things and I don't always commentate on them, but I'm trying to get better at that. So we had a breakout and we had stair stepping, okay? And I had this big cluster of all of these red entries, and so I'm putting a picture together. I'm building a case on why do I think this is a good setup, okay? And this is every day it's the same thing, and I can't make it any simpler than this, okay? What are we looking for? We're looking for a breakout. What are we looking for? We're looking for stair stepping, and then we take an entry, okay? And I can't make it any simpler than that. I'm not saying trading is easy, okay? Because it's not. Trading is not easy, but I'm trying to make it as simple as possible for you to understand what it is I'm looking at it, so you can duplicate the same thing yourself. So this is a nice little trade here, guys. I'm very happy with it. If you have any questions at all or you need help, I'm always happy to help. Send me an email, mark up your charts, send me copies of your charts, put arrows, circles, lines. Tell me what you were thinking. I want to understand your thought process, good, bad, or indifferent. I want to understand what you're thinking. You always want to have a thought process on building a case on why you took this entry. Just don't blindly take entries and say, well, I got an arrow. You need more than that, okay? You need more than that. So, if we have to do a screen share, I'm happy to do a screen share with you, and we can, review multiple charts. Go back a week or two if we have to. So stick with it, keep working, keep practicing, and you'll get there.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe to our channel. And don't forget to leave us a comment down below. And while you're at it, follow us on Instagram at Renko.Kings.